Hi, I'm Derek Feebrey, CEO of Hoverscape. I have a question for you. How well do you know your buildings, assets, or infrastructure? Do you have knowledge of the exact state of your building progress or defects? Do you have highly detailed imagery of every aspect of your asset? That's what we do. We provide unprecedented levels of knowledge and insight into your asset through our drone aerial imagery. We help you inspect your asset in less time, with less hassle, and more precision, which means you can make better decisions, have greater control, and create more efficiencies. With a highly detailed visual representation of your entire asset, you can make significant savings in cost and manpower, allocate your capital expenditure more effectively, and better meet client and contractual obligations. Plus, with regular inspections, you can access up-to-date data, create baseline reports and monitor trends, and keep comprehensive records for insurance purposes. It puts you far ahead of your competitors who are still relying on outdated methods and processes. How do we do this? We use fast, accurate drone cameras operated by licensed pilots, proven to give you a hassle-free service. This means the project is managed for you, from planning to delivery of the inspection data. You receive your imagery quickly and without disruption, without having to shut down assets or close off roads. You can tick off all WHS regulations, including all relevant certifications and licensing. You can even direct our drone cameras to go closer into areas important to you. So if you'd like to find out more about our asset inspection services, contact our friendly team today.